Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite crashing on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, search for Epic Games and open it. Now open your Epic Games library and find Fortnite. Click on the three dots next to the game, select Manage, and then click Verify next to Verify Files. This checks whether your game files are installed correctly and can fix crashes caused by missing or corrupted files. If Fortnite still crashes, open your graphics card provider's app. For NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app, click Drivers from the left menu, then open the menu in the top right and select Recommended. Now, download and install the latest graphics card drivers. After updating, start Fortnite again. If the game still crashes, try uninstalling and reinstalling Fortnite to fix any remaining installation problems. That's it for this video. Thanks.